Okay, welcome to this video. Today we'll be making a racing car. Start off by placing 3 ballast feet and then 2 ballast blocks. Set them lowest density possible. And do 7 ballast blocks along here. Again, do this again. Here comes the probably hardest part. Place 2 motor tubes. Set them 0 torque, 0 speed, and max angle. Do this with everything. Now, what we want to do is get our suspension blocks. Make them all normal, but make the damping max. The first time I'm coming out with my piston suspension. Something I have been keeping for ever since December last year. Set max force to 50, distance to 3.5, and put on toggle. Do not make any. Please do not say this is truly yours, and don't make the stupid excuse to say, "Well, the maker of the tutorial isn't here, are they?" Because that's actually just showing that you're stupid. Either you can make it all winter wheels, or for the drift version, make the back normal wheels. I'm doing mountain, aka off-road version. So I'm using winter wheels all the way. Set the speed to max. Hopefully I've not done anything wrong. Place the pistons. Boom. The piston suspension was made from one of my old suspensions. I know every YouTuber says this, but please do it for me. Like and subscribe, blah blah blah, all that type of stuff. See ya.